airport in Greenville, the GSP airport. Look how busy it is.
Getting a little toast.
That's right. We just got our breakfast, and after we eat, we're going to go and get on our flight to Atlanta and then head over to LA. I'll show you how pretty it is outside of our airport. All right, let's see our breakfast. Ooh, yeah. And a little hazelnut coffee.
I got an omelet, toast, grapes, and a caramel latte.
What kind of jam is that?
That's strawberry.
Nice. And she got a latte.
I love lattes.
Lattes are excellent. We made it to LAX. Yay! So it's 5 o'clock at home, but it's only like, what, 2 o'clock here?
Isn't that crazy?
It feels like weird.
It feels weird.
2 o'clock.
That was a long flight.
Yeah,
I'm
that
tired.
was extremely long. Now we're gonna head to Starbucks and then go to our Airbnb. Christopher's happy, look at him. The trailer is still attached to the truck.
They had to search it, but it's still there.
Yeah, it was searched, but we made it. So, if anybody watches this vlog and came to the LA event has not currently happened in my time right now. However, you will probably notice that I am late, even though I left like 2.5 hours before the event started because of this stupid trash truck down here. And we've literally been behind him for how many minutes already? 20? At least. Might even be 30. And we're still at the top of the hill, so we're screwed. It's kind of what the storefront looks like. We're hanging up the hairs. Look at Sarah at the Simple Blonde on Instagram. Follow me. Follow her. One of my awesome customers that came to see me here in LA, and we did a makeover doing our 12 to 18 inch full volume extension in the color Midnight. So tilt your head back for me. And we cut and styled this perfectly for her. As you can see, it looks so natural. And then I have in the 12 to 18 inch full volume extension in the color Giselle Balayage and the 16 to 18 inch luxury loop in the color Giselle. I just wanted to share with you guys that I came to this event and I love it. I do not regret to come, and I'm very happy with the results. Love it. I never had a chance to do something for my hair, and I love it. I love it.
Guys, we're here! Lauren and I are finally meeting after all this time, and I'm getting a new piece fitted from her collection. This is the Luxury Link 16 to 18 inch in the color Audrey. This is the Audrey color, because the one that I had before was a little darker, yeah? Yeah. This has like nice, highlight. Nice like balayage. The balayage. It's gorgeous. Caramel color. Gorgeous. Yeah. All right, so it's gonna be really easy for us to fit this for her. Just take this side of the string, put it through the little bead. You can even do this yourself at home if you order online. It's gonna place it where you would place a headband, and then you're just gonna get it to where it's good and tight for either you or the customer. Then you just wanna take it and tie it off to her exact head shape, because every person has a different head shape, and you do not want a piece that fits someone else. You want it to fit perfectly for you. Does that feel comfortable?
That feels great.
Yeah. All right, perfect, Jill. So then we're gonna do one more knot, just so it's extra secure. And then there's two different ways that you can actually put this on. I'm gonna do yours the way that I do mine, because your hair is longer and it's the same texture as mine, and mine gets very tangly if I do it the other way.
Okay.
So I like to just take my fingers and just kind of do like a little U shape like this.
Okay.
And then I usually don't use a clip, but I'm gonna use one just so everybody that's watching the video can see how they can do it, because it's easier if you do have a clip. So you just wanna clip up the top half like this. Then you're gonna place this string where you would place a headband. Pull it down like this. Woo! Instant hair, right?
Instant Victoria's Secret.
Exactly, that's what we like. And then you're just going to take the finer side of the comb and just comb that in where it's like perfect, so you can't see it at all. Yes, it's so perfect. Then you're gonna undo each clip on each side, turn it underneath, and press it down. Good. And that's just to give it a little bit extra security, so that when you move your head back and forth, it's not gonna go anywhere. And then all we would do now is just take a little bit of finishing spray. And this is really, really lightweight, so it's not gonna make it crunchy or anything. It's just gonna give it some texture.
So
It's that easy, guys.
Such a lifesaver.
Why sit for hours at the salon when you can just do that, right?
Oh really? Oh really?
Thanks for watching, guys.
Hi, this is Christina. I am here at the Lauren Ashtyn Collection pop-up shop here in LA, and I am walking away with the Katniss length extensions, and I love it.
Alright guys, so we had a very successful first day. Right, gal? Yeah. We're running on empty. It is, what time is it right now at home? 11:15 at home. And Mom and Christine just left, and they have been up since 3 years. Well, if you went from this side, it would have been done. Yeah. So basically almost 3 years. So we shall see you tomorrow.